Hello students, welcome back in EVS class. Today we will do chapter 14 and the title of the chapter is Traveling Time. So on this page there is one drawing. You will fill the colors in this drawing. And here there is one word that you have to complete the letters, that is wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. Now move to next page. We will read the story of a wheel. Earlier man used to travel only on foot. Then he used animals for traveling. One day he saw wooden logs roll. This led him to make a wheel. Yes, children, do you know how the wheel was invented? When earlier man, they saw the log of wood that is rolling. So they got the idea that we can make the wheel, and the animals that already their animals were there, then they can use the animals for pulling the cart and for their use. So in this way they got the idea for making a wheel and they make the wheel. Earlier they were using the wheels made of wood, and today we use different means of transport. There are buses, cars, scooters, bicycles, tongas and rickshaws. They carry us from one place to another place. Yes, and now the rubber wheels are used in the various kind of transport, and they carry us from one place to another place, like we move from one place to another place by car, by bus, by bicycle, by tongas, by trains, etc., and all are having wheels. Children travel by bus to school. Like you go to school by bus. Parents go to office or to market, yes, by two-wheeler or four-wheeler like car or scooty or bike, etc. Some people travel on vacation. Yes, some are going in the holidays or in vacations for just changing themselves, and they are going for outing. Some people travel short distance within the city. Yes, within the city only, like they go to market or to their relatives' home or to any other work. They go on the short distances by using the two-wheeler. Sometimes they travel to another city, another state or another country. They use different means of transport to fulfill their travel needs. Yes, we go from another city, state or country, that according to the distance we are selecting the vehicles. Like within the city we can use bicycle or bike, activa, car, etc. Or when we want to go to another state, then we can go by train, by bus, by car, or to another country we can use the mode of water transport like ship, or we can move by the air transport like helicopter, aeroplane, etc. So we will read now. There are different kinds of transport. Here there are three types of transport. One, land transport, second, water transport, and third, air transport. Very first we start with land transport. Vehicles like cars, buses, scooters and trains which run on roads or track are called land transport. These vehicles use fuel like petrol, diesel or CNG. CNG is a compressed natural gas to run. Within the city we use cars, buses, auto rickshaws, scooters and cycle rickshaws and cabs. Yes, the vehicles which move on land, these are called the land transport. The vehicles which move on land, these are cars, trucks, scooters, bicycles, tongas, etc. And do you know how do they run? They run with the petrol, diesel or CNG gas. CNG gas is a compressed natural gas. It means this is eco-friendly gas and a natural gas. It does not contain pollution. This is pollution free gas. Trains run on tracks or rails. That is why they are called railways. Many people can travel together in a train. The place from where trains leave or arrive is called a railway station. Yes, children, train is also moving on a land, but one track is made for the train just to move on that track, and that track is known as the railway track. And you know where the trains move or they leave, where they leave or arrive, that is called the railway station. Same way where the buses arrive or leave, they call the bus stand. In cities like Delhi and Jaipur, we have metro trains. They run on electricity. In Mumbai city, we have local trains. In Kolkata, we have trams. Yes, in cities, big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Jaipur, Bangalore, etc., we are having the metro trains. Metro trains are underground trains, and these trains travel within a city, and these run on electricity. In Mumbai city, we have local trains. Yes, these run on electricity, and in the big cities, we have these local trains, and in Kolkata, we have trams also. A cab is a type of vehicle for hire with a driver used to passenger or a small group of passengers. The pick and drop is decided by the passenger and not by the service provider. Yes, children, when you are going to hire a cab, hire a car for few days, like you are going for vacations, then you are hiring a car for few days, that is called a, you can make it stand anywhere where you want to stand, and this is according to you, and everything will goes according to you. Next, in villages we do not have rails or roads. In such places people use bicycles, bullock carts and tongas to travel. They also walk long distances. Yes, children, in villages, in villages we do not have the railway tracks or roads. So in such places, the vehicles which are moving, these are bicycle, bullock carts and tongas, and they also walk long distances. Means for the long distances also people used to go by these vehicles. Next, camels can walk easily on sand. It is used in deserts. Elephants are used in forests. Tongas and bullock carts are used in villages. In most villages, people walk for long distances. Many use bicycles. Yes, as you know, camels can walk easily on the land, on the sand, in the desert, and elephants also can walk easily in the forest. So same way, tongas and bullock carts are used in the villages. So now it's your activity time, that this you will do yourself. Look at the picture of different means of transport and write A for animal drawn vehicle, H for the human drawn vehicles, and E for engine drawn vehicles in the boxes given below. Okay children, next we will read in the next video. By that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.